CAD yen, yeah, so what I said about Aussie yen earlier, same thing, I was right. You can see that the yen pairs are resuming their bullish trend, so awesome to see. Obviously price has to break this area first, which I think will have no problem. We have to figure out some monthly ranges here though, so I'm going to put some lines in here. I'm going to try to factor in what our monthly low would be. Because there's no real resistance, I don't think this would be the monthly low. I think the monthly low will be somewhere in between here and here, so we'll just find a whole number in the middle here, or we'll say 107. Well, what's this say? We'll start with 107.5. So this is actually going to be next month's low. This will be, yeah, August is low, and then we got to determine the high. So what would the high be? It moves roughly about 550 pips, and it'll move more if it's on the uptrend. It'll move more than its normal average. It's when price pulls back and retraces, that's usually what drops the monthly range kind of thing, or any time frame range, I guess. So we have to factor that in. So 550 pips would be very conservative. It might move quite a bit more. So that puts us at 112 monthly high, and this puts us at 113, sorry. That's your 550 pip move, so this is what you're looking at for the month. And then we'll leave this zone here, but I don't think it'll come back down to it. Again, we're just anticipating this pulling back a little bit and creating some zones of resistance. It hasn't yet, but we still have to anticipate that it does. And we don't want to enter yet. Like, I wouldn't enter let's say right now, because there's no, like, my closest area of resistance as of right now, or I guess support, sorry. My closest area of support is way down here. So I mean, if this decides to sell off, buyers take their money out and price starts dipping, I mean, it's going to go all the way down here. So it's like, well, I don't want to jump in on a long position if price is going to pull back 300 pips first. I mean, that's kind of dumb. I'd probably just wait for it to come down here. I mean, 5 years ago, I probably would have taken that trade, but a little bit more discipline now, which is nice. So that is your September range here, or sorry, your August range up until September 1st. And then we'll just put this here. I always like to put these lines here so I know what I'm looking at. And then there you go. That is, so this is what we're kind of anticipating for the month of August for CAD yen. I want this to come down and create a little bit of a zone somewhere. Like right now it just doesn't, even on a 4 hour. I mean, it's kind of down here. There's a bit of a zone here, but it's not significant enough. So we'll just wait. And then yeah, if this doesn't pull back at all, it just smokes this zone, then we'll just readjust. But I want it to pull back and create a little zone that I can enter on successfully. So that is CAD yen.